The future of equipment reliability is proactive and AI-driven. Unlock smarter decision-making with Sasken's AI-powered motor and pump health intelligence. Let's make intelligence work for every motor. Across manufacturing and process industries, organizations lose millions every year due to unplanned downtime caused by motor and pump failures. As industrial operations scale, motor fleets become larger, more distributed, and harder to monitor continuously. Motors and pumps are the backbone of industrial operations. Failures in critical components such as stators, bearings, and pumps often develop gradually but remain undetected until they cause major operational disruptions. Traditional maintenance approaches struggle to identify these issues early and at scale. Sasken enables a shift from reactive maintenance to predictive, condition-based maintenance without relying on motor-mounted sensors or complex hardware. By using existing current signals, organizations typically achieve up to 30% reduction in unplanned downtime, 30 to 50% lower deployment costs compared to sensor-based solutions, 2 to 3 times faster implementation from pilot to full fleet rollout. This software-first approach delivers faster time to value and simpler scalability across sites. How it works. Behind these benefits is a simple but powerful analytics pipeline. Sasken's platform starts by ingesting current signals directly from motors already available through drives, MCCs, or control systems. From these signals, the backend performs feature extraction, including RMS values, supply frequency energy, and spectral entropy. These features are then fed into a machine learning model built using random forest algorithms trained on data from both healthy and faulty motors to recognize patterns associated with component degradation. The model predicts component-level health, including stator health, bearing health, pump health. These predictions are combined to derive overall motor health trends over time across the fleet. Why Sasken's approach is different. Because Sasken relies only on intrinsic electrical signals, there is no need for vibration sensors or motor-mounted hardware. This reduces installation effort, eliminates sensor maintenance, and minimizes false alarms caused by sensor drift or failure. The result is a robust, explainable, and scalable solution, well-suited for large industrial motor fleets. The future of equipment reliability is proactive and AI-driven. With sensorless analytics and deep engineering expertise, Sasken helps industries move from reactive firefighting to predictive control. Let's make intelligence work for every motor.